Hi everyone, my name is Bryce. I'm business director at Graphext team, and during the next 3-5 minutes, let me talk briefly about us. What do we sell at Graphext? Basically, we sell a product to do data science for business. But firstly, why do we sell Graphext? We observe how companies are focused on answering more and more questions with data. For instance, what are the drivers behind my employment attrition? How many clusters of clients I have, or what is happening with my brand in Twitter or Instagram? To solve this kind of question, you need to develop technical teams with coding and data science capabilities. That's not the problem, but the reality. The problem comes from how the companies are organized. If you actually want to do data science, you need an army of pretty smart mathematicians, physics, or computer scientists, and there's simply not enough people like this in the market. However, companies are full of young people with a background in business, economics, or other degrees in engineering. Precisely, we are making Graphext for them. In many companies, often data science is siloed and expensive team. That means you as a business user have to collect the data, translate your requirements to them, and wait for results. But what about upskills your business user and empower them to do their analysis on the spot? By doing so, they can save valuable time and money. With Graphext, we are providing a software so business people can manage and face their own projects with total autonomy. By doing so, they can save valuable time and money, and I mentioned before. Our vision is to automate data science for business with Graphext software in a SaaS model. Keeping in mind that we are providing value for non-technical people, we need to join them during the whole analytical path, diving into the data until reach the right answer. How the tool completes each of the parts within a guided path for the analysis is the question I will explain now. Firstly, the tool is tailored to fit any data source, AWS, Azure, Oracle, MySQL. Once the dataset is loaded, the tool is trained to recognize how the dataset looks like and propose you the kind of analysis you can get from it. From ad hoc analysis, we will put the user into a session and she or he just should respond some question related to the kind of answer they are looking for. From that input, we are able to build the code script you would need to obtain the sales results outside. That is the manner we keep our user away from the code. The visualization is critical, and the graph acts like a map, helping users to understand the structure of data they are facing and go through the question in a quick way. Of course, every analytical path concludes with insights over you will activate or build your action plan. In an easy way, the tool is able to save any discovery the user finds from the exploration and get involved to the rest of the team or the end clients, sharing with them the results. Since we launched our product in Spain a couple of years ago, we already attract 26 SaaS customers. Our ARR right now is 280K, and we are growing 10% MOM, showing early market adoption. I hope you find this information useful. Any additional doubt, please see my contact here.
Hi, my name is Javier Ayuela and I work as Digital Transformation Manager at Unilever. In our team, we accelerate the path of our decision-making by switching processes with a high level of inefficiency by digital processes. So, we are constantly looking into the market for new solutions developed by startups which could be integrated in our factory management platform. Our main principle is that everything must be inside of the same platform to facilitate the work to the final user. That is why we are looking for solutions which could be integrated as a Lego brick. Following this idea, we have collaborated with Graphext to integrate their solution to categorize and stratify the different information which we store in our databases and represent it in clusters by using diagrams and graphs, which improves the user experience. Doing so, we can easily establish action plans for each cluster and increase the speed in our problem solving. Thank you.